Okay, so today, I just, I can't see myself having another trade. I am actually down today because I closed the good trade and then I shorted because I looked at USD and I looked at EU and I was like, oh my God, it's gonna break out. Like EU is gonna break out down, USD is gonna break out up, and I was like, there's no way gold's gonna go up. And I realized I messed up and I recorded it and I realized that um, this is why I've been losing money consistently. Not because I've been bad trader, like I'm not bad. It's not that I don't know what I'm doing, but it's because I'm being emotional in the market and illogical, and I'm not being calm and I'm not being peaceful. I'm being scared. So, I don't know if I'm gonna get another trade today. And I feel like crying. Like I'm actually really hurt by this because it's like another day of me not making progress. In my opinion, that's how it feels. It's another day of not making progress, and it sucks so much. We're gonna do um on how not to trade. So first of all, my first trade of the day. This is this is how you can lose money even though you know how to trade. So I actually sold up here, like probably like here somewhere like that, right? My plan was to short to there. So I was like, I'm just gonna scout this morning. I wanted to scout because there was like a 4 hours for whatever. I want to scout there. So I'll turn on my I'll turn on my trading history. But then I was like, oh my god, this 15-minute candle finished bullish, right? I don't even remember why I thought it was a good idea, to be honest. Like for some reason, I thought this 15-minute candle was like a confirmation, but it's like technically it's not confirmation. Like my trading book, in my trading strat, it's not. But for some reason at the time, I was like, that's confirmed that it's gonna go up. For some strange freaking reason, I have no idea. Anyways, so I was short, and then I longed. Yep, I longed down here, and I got taken out pretty much straight away. This candle, yeah, like an idiot. Oh, I need to stop calling myself that. Anyways, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna look for a legit trade now, like a long-term trade, like a longer trade, right? Bro, this was the one. This 15-minute candle, I entered around here, and then I closed it. Why? Because I look at USD and I looked at EU, and it looked like it was about to break out, and I was like, this finished bearish, which means that it's gonna continue to go down. Mistake again. And then I decided to sell my long and to open this up. And then I closed it when I was like, you know what? You're silly. So that was the story of this morning's trade, which, because I got it on camera, I realized that this is why I've been losing consistently. You can see, this is the proof. So, of my irrationality and my emotional trading. So, this was my first sell. This is where I closed it. This is, as you can see, I opened the sell straight away, I believe. No, a buy. Yeah, a buy straight away. And it's so little. You can't even see the candle underneath. And then I closed it. Well, I didn't close it. I got stopped out. And then this happened. I was like, yeah, it's gonna go up. And then I closed my buy. I closed my buy. And then I sold. And then I just closed my sell. So I'm down for the day. So now, I don't know what to do. Oh my god, this is. Don't even look at that. Okay, I made some mistakes. I'm really confident with that. And now I think this will be my last trade of the day. So as you can see in this 4 hour candle, you look on the line chart. This is actually the high. So the 4 hour candle has shown that it rejected. So I probably should have seen that and just waited for this settle earlier this morning. But so it's okay, whatever. So obviously it can still be risky because it's at the highs and it might go take even more highs. But I believe that well, I didn't just short blindly, lovely. So this actually did two 15-minute candle confirmation, which is perfect for me because it shows that. So well, first of all, it gives me a clear stop. Okay, that's what you want, clear stop. That's how you get a lot of R's because you get clear stop. And if the 4-hour candle breaks this low and decides to break this low, then we could be looking at a lot of R's, right? But I'm not going to. I'm, I'm gonna be mindful, and I'm gonna watch my trade and make sure that I close when the price looks like it's up, because I think if it breaks out, this would be good. But I always do that because I don't know, like there's always that one day where it just goes quite a lot, but it's probably not gonna happen. And this might not even happen. It's actually really silly, but I think it's gonna break the slow at least. We're gonna get some profits, and potentially I might not blow my 50k. Actually, I think that might be a good idea. Actually, here, yeah, here. So if I take profit here, that's 2k. That's all right. You know what? I'm gonna go for 3k. Oh god, this is how I lost so much money, because my stops has always been ridiculously. I mean, my take profit has been ridiculously far away, and I think I'm gonna go for this, like a somewhere here. Actually, let's guarantee. Let's like guarantee take profit actually. So if you're trading like this, actually, so if you just do that, obviously that would be take profit around here, which I probably should be looking at taking profit around that, but I will monitor the price action because it could break out. But if it breaks out like this, then this is oh yes, 200 EMA on the 1 hour. Damn, that looks like a good TP. That looks good. That looks good. Yeah, so let's pray that I actually win a trade for once. And yeah, and you'll see more of me if I do it. So that was another loss for me, sometimes. But what I realized is I could have had 5 on. Yeah, I could have had 5 on. So 5 hours is a really good trade. I honestly, I'm so tired from trading right now. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm not a quitter.